Easy to slide top door for placing birds or small animals in and letting them out. The great density of the transport box is relatively high and can bear more weight. Make sure your birds have access to water by placing yellow or real nipple drinkers on the sides. 3 doors total, 1 top door and 2 side doors. Animals can quickly come out of the transport box, saving time for manual grasping. Pay attention to the changes in the transport box. Compare the depressions on the top of the 2 shipping boxes.